Subscribe, like, and share with your friends for more videos. GVV Show.
Hi viewers, welcome to my favorite channel GVV Show, Basic English Grammar. In previous classes, we discussed about basic grammar, words, sentences, parts of speech. You know how many parts of speech? There are 18 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Then we discussed articles a and the, and voices, active voice, passive voice, and speeches, direct and indirect speeches. Tenses, there are three types of tenses: past tense, present tense, future tense. Then I discussed pair words, that means not only but also, to, neither nor, either or, if, but, all these we discussed. Yes, in previous class I discussed about some punctuation, how to use capitals, where we use semicolon, where you use full stop, and where we use exclamatory marks. So all this we discussed. Today I am going to discuss an important part, that means important lesson video, letter writing. Letter writing. So it is very important to write, any person write in English, letter writing. So mainly I discussed letter writing contains 5 parts. Letter writing contains mainly 5 parts. So these 5 parts, yes, these five parts of letter I will discuss detail. So the letter writing mainly consists of or contain 5 parts. Number 1, place and date. Place and date. Number 2, consolation. Number 3, body of the letter. Body of the letter. Number 4, conclusion. Number 5, address. Address, whom we write, whom to we write. So these are the 5 parts mainly in letter writing. Number 1, place and date. So I will explain detail where we should write. So number 2, consolation. Number 3, body of the letter. Number 4, conclusion. Number 5, address. Yes, these main 5 parts of letter writing. So as I say just now, there are 5 parts in letter writing. So one is, I think I already told, there are 5 parts consist of letter writing: place and date, number 1, and consolation, number 2, and number 3, body of the letter, number 4, conclusion, number 5, last, address. So I will explain one by one. So place and date. Place and date. So you always know, when we are going to write letter writing, you must write place and date. So then the other person to whom to you write, he understands he is writing from that place for that time. So it must be important. Number 1, it must always top of the right. Where it's top of the right. So this place, you think this is a page, so it is place and date. Place and date. So where it always took place in the top of the right. So you should not write place and date. You write place, actually place, Mehboob Nagar. Then semicolon, comma, and date, dt, full stop. So what is date today? 26/08/2021. So this 21 you always write full year, because 21 means some are think it's a date, not date, it's a year. 2021 you write, then you write full stop. This is the first part of the letter. Number second, when the end of the date, you write straight opposite from margin. This is margin. So write second part, consolation. Consolation. So you do not write consolation, but our understanding I am telling explanation. So you write second part, consolation. So if you write to your parents, if you write to your friends, you write dear father. Dear father, or dear mother, dear friend. So these are consolations regarding your family members, your friends. So whenever you write your official, whenever you write your official, your officer, your principal, your headmaster, your superior officer, you write respected sir. Respected sir. So whenever you write consolation, you must put semicolon. Dear father, dear mother, dear friend, you write semicolon. So this is respected sir. So sometimes you write sir or madam, not madam, madam. So these are the consolations. So just now I say, if you write to your family members, your friends, you write dear friend, dear father, dear mother, dear brother, dear sister, like this. So whenever you write to your officials, principal or headmaster or director, whatever it may be, so you write respected sir or dear sir, dear madam. So these I explained two types, two parts. One is place and date, and second is consolation. Number third, you write from third part. So you leave some place from margin. So then you write in the middle of the consolation, you start your body of the letter. I am safe here. I am safe here. Safe here by the grace of the God. I think same from your side. Same from you. Like this. You start this body of the letter. So there is no body of the letter, there is no limit. There is no limit lines. What if it contains 5 lines or 50 lines, 50 pages also. If you have a patience, you write body of the letter, number of pages are there. So there is no limit of body of the letter. So if you are having a patience and time, you write 3 pages, 4 pages. That is no limit for body of the letter. So this is body of the letter. You start from margin, you leave some page, some space, and second part of the letter is from margin, respected sir. So first one is top of the right, and second one is consolation is margin, from the margin, and body of the letter third part is in the middle of consolation. You start, you leave some place from margin. You start, I am safe here by the grace of the God. I think same from you, from your side. Yes, in letter writing, the fourth part of letter writing is conclusion. Conclusion. This is conclusion. conclusion. That means come to end. Conclusion means come to end. So letterizing over. This is fourth one. So conclusion. So you do not write fourth number and conclusion. So fourth part of letter writing is conclusion. So you do not write four number and conclusion. You write only when you write letter to officer, your headmaster, your principal, your director, your school HM. So you write yours faithfully. Yours faithfully. One is yours sincerely. Yours sincerely. So these are official letters, official conclusion. So when you write your parents, your family members, your friends, you write like this. Yours lovingly. Yours lovingly. Yours friend. Yours friend. Like this. This is family and friends letter. This one, your sincere officers, your superior officers, your principals, directors, HMs, madams, whatever it may be, you write like this. Yours faithfully, yours sincerely. So last one is fifth one. So you have to write to whom to you are going to write. That is called address. Fifth one is address. Address from the margin. Address is from margin. You write so and so. You must be contain address, name, house number, street number, and last pin code also you write, because it reaches safely. When you write pin code, it reaches safely. So address is the below the conclusion, and from margin you write always address. So today I discussed about letter write. What is letter? How many parts contain in letter writing? How you use letter writing parts? Place and date, top of the right, and conclusion from the margin below the place and date. You write from margin conclusion. That means consolation. Number third, body of the letter in the middle. There is no limit for body of the letter. So number fourth, last one, below the conclusion. So whom to write? Your officer itself. You write yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Your friends, family letters, you write in lovingly, yours sincere, yours fair friend. So lastly, this is the last address to whom to write. So with this, I briefly explained letter writing, how many parts contain in the letter writing. So now I explain kinds of letters. So there are few types of letters. So all are not same in the letters writing. So kinds of letters. Kinds of letters. Kinds of letters. So there are mainly we discussed about five kinds of letters. Number one is personal letters. Personal letter. Personal letters. Number two, official letters. Official letters. Number three, business letters. Business letters. Family letters. Family letters also it comes personal letters, but we mention clearly family letters regarding your parents, your family members. That is called correspondence letters. Correspondence letters. Correspondent, no correspondent. Correspondence. Correspondence. Correspondence letters. So Correspondence. Yes. So I mainly discuss personal letters, official letters, business letters, family letters, correspondence. These are the main. So I think only four kinds of letters are mainly important. But here I wrote family letters. Family letters itself comes in personal letters. So there are, you always say there are mainly four kinds of letters. Personal letters. So what it comes in personal? You write in friends. So your personal friends, close friends, your family members, your father, your mother, sister. So you are writing in regarding family members, you write friends and family members. So mainly you discussed friends and family members. Family members. Whenever you are going to write friends and family members, that comes in personal letters. So number 2, official letters. Official means, so if you are employed, if you wish to write your officer, your section officer, your manager, your head of the department, you write. And college, in regard you are studying in college, you once happen to write your principal or director, that is called official letters. In personal letters, family friends letters, you conclusion is dear friend, yours lovingly son, yours lovingly friend, yours truly friend. All these comes in personal conclusion letters. So business letters. So when you are, so this is officer, principal, director. So whatever it may be, it comes. And business letters, booksellers, publishers, and some trucks manager. That means transport authorities. Transport authorities, you have to write. So I need some truck, whatever it may be, it comes on business letters. Family letters, just now I told, father, mother, brother, sister, all this family, uncle, whatever it may be, it comes. Correspondence means, so there is a distance education. Not in a near. So you did your course in correspondence. That is called correspondence. That means correspondence. Sir, I am the bona fide student of in your institution. Send materials. All these you write in the body of the letter. That is called correspondence. These 5 types of mainly four: personal letters, official letters, business letters, correspondence letters. So these are the 4 types of letters. So just I explained briefly how we write letter. That is the parts of letters. There are mainly 5 parts of the letter. First one is place and date. It is always on the top of the right. And second one is consolation. It is from margin below the place and date. It is from margin. And body of the letter in middle. End of the consolation in middle. You write. You left some place for margin. That is body of the letter. There is no limit for body matter. So it's uncountable. So last one, ending, conclusion, that go to end, that is conclusion. You have to write official, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, your friends, your lovingly friend, your truly friend, your son, your lovingly son, all these family letters. So lastly, address. With this, I explained briefly so many way of writings, letter writing, but I explained briefly what is the main parts in letter writing. So how many types of letter I explained, friends? So I know. So I think you are understanding my letters writing lessons. If you like my lessons, please subscribe and press bell icon for moral supporting me, and you share it and like it for better lesson in future. So today letter writing is concluded. Thank you.